Please sit, Your Excellency. We bring in another chair.
Step out to now prayer, please. O God of all creation, bless, and so with peace and plenty, Nigeria will be blessed. The national chairman of our great party, leader. I therefore have the honor and privilege this morning to invite
leaders through our national women leader. I greet all the eminent women in the house. It is a joy to receive what is essential as a matter of law. By law, every political party is expected to have democratic leadership. About 4 years ago, we tenure will be lapsing on the 27th of March 2020 of the National Executive Council, that we should, in line with the constitutional mandate of 4-year tenure, have another set of leader decision-making organ of our party, and is also the party and the organ authorized to elect the National Executive Council. As I was saying, the National Convention is the highest decision-making organ. So members of that place. Possibly we don't want the join him on that one. So it's my joy to also announce that Senator Ken Unamani Jisoen is a member of the committee.
You know, today will mark yet another moment in the progressive journey of our great party, the All Progressive Congress. It is with immense pride and joy and a deep sense of responsibility that I stand before you to inaugurate this very important committee, the APC National Convention Committee. A convention like ours is not merely a gathering. It is the reaffirmation of our democratic values, a celebration of internal democracy, and a demonstration to Nigerians that APC remains the most organized, the most forward-looking, and the most viable political party anybody will stand an election in Nigeria. I am particularly delighted that we have a statesman of the highest order leading this committee, His Excellency Aminu Bello Masari, a former governor of Katsina State and a distinguished elder of our great party. He's bringing to this assignment decades of political experience, unquestionable integrity, and a deep understanding of party administration. To all members of this committee, you have been carefully selected because you have proven integrity, your wealth of experience, and your commitment to the ideals of our party. The task before you is both an honor and responsibility. Responsibility to deepen democracy in APC. The task you are being called upon to plan and deliver a convention that will be transparent, inclusive, credible, befitting of a ruling party of great stature like APC. I charge you all to rise above partisan interests and personal sentiments. Let the good of this party, that's the color of APC and the brand of APC, and guide you in every decision that you make. Time is the essence, and I expect nothing short of excellence from each and every one of you.